Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ask an Action Coach. Jackie, this week we have a great question from Thomas. He says, my family is complaining that I'm working too much, and how do I get them to stop complaining?
So, Thomas, my answer to you is stop working so much, right? And what does that mean, right? It's about having balance in your life. You didn't go into business to work all the time. You went into business, I would guess, partially to have some kind of balance so that you could have time for spiritual things, social things, family things, physical time, time for you to think, all of those kinds of things. So if you find that you are out of balance or that you're working too much and you're overwhelmed, the very first thing I would do is look at what are you doing? Are the things you're doing and spending your time on the highest and best things that will move your business forward and make you the most money? So many business owners try to save a wage by doing the work themselves, but then don't have time to do the higher dollar value work. So for example, they do a lot of their own bookkeeping because they don't want to hire someone to do that. Yet the 5 hours a month or 10 hours a month they spend doing the bookkeeping and sending out invoices and all of those other things, though that same 10 hours they could be out making sales, 150, 200, 5,000, 10,000 in sales. So if you are doing low value tasks in your business, stop doing those and get someone to do them so that you have more time to focus on the greater skill tasks and those things that are going to bring you in the most money. Because there's an old saying, right? You're saving dimes, which is a wage, and spending dollars, because the amount of time you're spending doing tasks someone else could do, you don't have that same amount of time to do the highest and best tasks that are going to bring money in the door. So stop doing those lower skilled tasks, hire them out, and focus on the things that are going to bring you money and balance. So that's how I would do that.
Thank you so much for that answer. And I think talking about balance is a really important part of finding out if coaching might be a right step for you. So if you want to talk about balance, go ahead and set up your complimentary business diagnostic with Jackie. You can just fill out the form above, click on the link above, and it's a quick, short little form, fill out. And as always, if you have a question that you'd like to ask Jackie or ask an action coach, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment section below or go ahead and message us. Thank you again, Jackie. I really appreciate your perspective on balance this week.
Sure. Have a great week, everyone.